So sir, we have seen the live demonstration, we have seen the MACH 25 product also. Now how do a customer can select a right tool of MACH for themselves?
Yeah, so this is where Vargus has developed, uh, you know, excellent tool for helping customer, which is we call Vargus GENius, which is a tool selector and CNC program generator.
So can you please elaborate how Vargus GENius work, how customer can use this?
So go on Vargus website, or you can download Vargus GENius on your mobile phone. We have both Android as well as iPhone versions. Once you download these apps, you can see this screen, and we will select thread turning. Let's say you are doing application which is internal right hand, and we are talking about oil and gas application. So let's select this one of the application. So you see this kind of drop down menus. It's very easy to select. And you see from Vargus, you are getting 33 options to select the tools. Now we need to select a right tool, that to MACH 25. So I would encourage you to select insert style, go to MACH 25, and you see 6 options, especially on the diameters, what kind of diameter you want to see. So in this application, we will select the biggest diameter, let's say, which is diameter 60, and then you can select what kind of infeed. So we recommend here alternate flank. So you get to select the grade, which is VK8. Then you select more than the number of passes, and you see here the total cycle time would be 2 minutes 10 seconds, and the app gives you the application, what you selected, the thread data, the tooling, the details on holder, insert, and the operations you selected, and what kind of passes you can do. Once you get this summary, you can send this summary to yourself, and you can pretty much, get help with this Vargus GENius. I would encourage use Vargus GENius as much to select right tool.
So sir, we are here in EMO 2025, right? And a lot of viewers are watching you right now. So any message you want to give it to them?
We request our customers to, let's say, review or look at MACH TT, MACH 25, and call the nearest or your local Vargus representative for demo.